Hey guys, it's Nishant. Welcome to Cybernetico. Today we will learn how to create a news application using React Native for Android and iOS. So let's get started. So on the right side you can see I have opened Expo CLI. So let's install it using npm. So scroll down and we need this command npm install global Expo CLI. So paste it here and enter. It will install our Expo CLI in our system because we are using global. So let it install. It will take some time. Our Expo CLI has been installed now. So now let's create a project here. So to create a project, just type expo init. It will ask the name of the application. So let's type news app, news application. Then press enter. It will ask some more things like do you want this to be a blank application or you want some tabs. So let's go with blank. So press blank here. Then it will download the dependencies of JavaScript using npm or yarn. So let it install. Now we are in the project folder, which is this React Native news application. So as you can see, we have some files here called expo shared, assets, node modules, just like React. Git ignore to ignore some files for GitHub. Then we have the app.js, our main file, which contains these tags, view, text, status bar and all. And at the bottom, you can see we have some CSS styles. So container is flex, background color is white, line items and justify content is centered. So now let's start the app. And to start the app, just type expo start. It will open up a window in this browser, in your browser. And you can see we have some some options here like run on device, run on iOS device or in web browser. So click the web browser here. And you can see our expo is bundling our files. So you can see we have the output right here that open up app.js to start working on the app. So we can change it to like hello world also, and you can see our output changes. And now it is hello world. So now let's start working on the application. So to move forward, we need React Navigator. Just like you see in Instagram apps or Facebook, you can see we have different screens like home, upload, search, settings or profile. So let's install it. So search React Navigation on Google and open up the first link. Then click read docs and go down. You can see we have the expo project command to install this React Navigator. So paste it here. Wait for it to install. The React Navigation has been installed. Now to use it, we need to go to this, click this button down below and let's select bottom tabs from Navigator because we are going to use this bottom tabs. So we are also going to install this npm install React Navigation bottom tabs. So install it from the terminal. Let it install. It will take a few moments. Now, according to the documentation, we need to wrap the whole project inside this navigation container. Sorry. Then here, copy this from this documentation and wrap the whole application inside navigation content. Then we also need to import it at the top and save it. Now we need to import our screens. So open up bottom tabs from Navigator. Then we can import these screens here. So copy this tab Navigator and replace the text here and save it. We also need to import it. So first import constant this tab and create bottom tab Navigator from React Navigation bottom tabs. So let's copy it and paste it here. Save the file. You will see we will get an error because we don't have any home screen right now. So let's create screens now. So create a folder called screens. Inside we can create two screens, one for home and other for settings. So home screen.js, wait, delete it, create file home screen.js. Okay, it's fine now. Then settings.js, type RFC for functional component here, and here also this is setting screen and this is home screen. We don't need this div because div are not supported in React Native, so instead we will use view. So copy the view from this and paste it, replace the here, and we also need to import this view. So copy this view and paste it here. Just remove style sheet and text. Similarly, paste it here. Save both the files. And now let's import these two files in our main app.js file. So import home screen from setting screen home screen, then import settings from screen settings. But we have settings screens here, so replace it. Save the file, and you can see we're getting an error because we don't need these styles. So remove it and styles container also. Save the file. Now you can see we have home and setting screens which we can navigate. So let's also remove the view to make it at the bottom. Now you can see we have home and setting screen. So whenever we click home, we get home screen, and click settings, we will get setting screen here. Now we need to hide this home top bar, you can see here, from home screen and setting screen. So how can we do that? Just type here options and give two curly brackets. Then header shown will be false. Save. You can see we cannot see the header right now. So do the same for setting screen here, and here we can type something, like we can use text and type home and import text from React Native here at the top. Then in this screen also, setting screen, we can import text and types using text here. So text, let's say it is settings, save it, and this one is home, save it. You can see we are getting home here, and in setting screen we are getting settings. Now let's create 4 more screens for our application. So first of all, this home screen should be, first let's change the name to all, because this one will show all the news. And in the app.js we need to change this home screen to all. So save it, and here this will be all and component will be all. Similarly, we need to do for settings. So for settings, first let's say all here, and let me make the settings to business news. So rename as business, business.js. Then here we need to change the name. So settings will be business. So copy and paste it in the component and add the name. Save. Make this business, and you can see we have 2 screens here, all and business. Now we need some more screens like this, like sports, health, technology, everything. So create first for sports.js, then for health.js, then for let's say tech.js. .js. So we can fetch all the news at once: business news, health news, sports news, and tech news. So copy this all file, all data, then paste it in sports. Just change the name to sports here, and here this will be sports screen. Save it and repeat it for health. So health screen, and sports will be health. And for tech we'll do the same. So tech screen, and this one will be tech. Save all the files and let's import it into our main file. So remove this style sheet, we don't need it. And import, let's say health first, health screen, then import sports screen, then let's import tech screen. Then we need to show this into our main app.js app file in this UI. So health screen, put it here. Wait, close this and let's work now. So copy health screen and paste it. Health screen, copy and paste it as business, and here also. Then we need this at 2 more times. So sports screen, component sports screen, and then tech screen, and here also. And save the file. You will see we have 5 screens now. So all business, sports, health, sports, and tech. So we need to make this health. Okay, we need to change the name. So health screen will be just health, sports, and tech. Save it. And now our bottom tabs is now visible. So we have all business, health, sports, and tech. Now we need to add some icons in our project for all screen, business screen, health, sports, and tech based on the name. So here I have some icon. I have an icon library from React Native Elements. So let's install it and let's check how to install it. So click get started and just use npm install React Native Elements or yarn add React Native Elements. So install it in the new terminal and wait for it to install. Now let's add our icons in the file. So as you can see, the format to add icons is just like this. So we just need to use tab or icons here and paste it here after header shown. So now let's check which icons to use. So in this icons library, let's use feather icons, but we need to paste it from the home page first. So here paste it for home, and then let's search for the home icon. Replace this material community icons with this icon name, this icon syntax. Then import it at the top here, save it. You will see we have icon here with rowing icon here showing here, and now we need to define a few things here, like the name of the icon package. So let's say we are using feather icons here. So use feather, and then the icon type. The type is feather. So copy type and paste it here, and then the name of the icon. So name of the icon is home. Then you can see we are getting home icon here at the all. Also remove this color and size from here, we don't need that. Similarly repeat it for all the icons here. Format it, and then let's repeat it for all icons. So for business, let's choose $money sign. So copy this, or we don't need, just here paste $sign. And now let's check, we have the $sign here in the business screen. Then now let's check for health. So for health we can use activity icon. So just type here health, or we can also use hut. So copy this, then make it hut from home. Then you will see hut here. Then we need for the sports screen just a ball. So I don't think this feather icons have ball icon in their directory. So let's check for some other icon package. So let's use this iron icons. So open up this iron icons here. Okay, iron icons, and close the feather. Now let's check for sports or tennis ball. Okay, we have tennis ball here, so we can use this iron icons. So copy this and here paste it. Just make this feather to iron icons, which is this. Copy it and paste it here. And then for the name, let's use the name which is tennis ball outline. Copy this name and paste it here. Wait. We just need, so paste it and just copy the name from here, then close it, and it replaces the name from heart to tennis ball icon outline. Save the file, and you can see we have tennis ball icon in the sports. Similarly, let's do for technology. So type tech here, or let's use chip. This will work. You are free to use any icons you want, but we have to do some research before. So from which icon to use. So paste this and let's use hardware chip outline. Give it a comma because we are getting an error. So here this will be hardware chip outline. And now we have 5 screens, all business, health, sports and tech. As of right now, you can see our icons have some text below it, which is not looking good. So now let's hide it, the text below the icons. So how to hide it? In the tab navigator, just type hide, or tab bar options and 2 curly brackets, then hide or show label, make it as false. Now you can see our labels below the icons have now been hidden. So we have home screen, this business screen, health, sports and tech. Now we need to give them a highlight option. So whenever we are on this home screen, it should be highlighted. This business will be highlighted if I are on the business screen. If we are on the health screen, it should be highlighted, and same for the sports and tech screen. Now to add the active class, we need to pass one more prop here, which will be active tint color. Let's make it black. So 212121. Save it, and here we will pass props in this tab bar icon property. Then we will set the color, which will be equal to props dot color. But you will see all these colors, icon colors, is same as black. So let's change it to something else. So make it red, and now you can see we are getting red because we are on the home screen. All. Then do the same for this business screen. So paste here and pass props here. So if we change our screen from home to business, the color should be highlighted. So check it. So now it is, you can see it is red, and if we on the home screen, it is red. Now let's do for all the other screens as well. So for health, sports and tech. Now let's change the color of this active class. So I have chosen this amber color, so copy this and replace red. And now you can see we have amber as the active class. So click business, we will see business here. Click health, we will see health with a nice active class, then sports and then tech. Now we need to center this text from all the screens. So let's do that. Now to center the element, you can see I have a constant, a variable called styles, which contains our container. And this is how you use CSS in React Native. And as you can see in the view, we have the styles as style container, which is targeting this container. So we don't need a line item centered, so remove it. And now you can see remove the flex as well and the background color. Now we need to center the element. So text, align, make it center. Now you can see the text has been centered. Now we need one more style for text. So you can say text here and one colon and then curly bracket, and then style equals to styles dot text. This will target this text object. So save it and let's say font size, let's make it 24, or then in this container let's give it a padding of 10. Then here let's change the font style to 500 or 600 to make it more bolder. I don't think it's working, so let's remove it. So then we have the all here, and now let's repeat it for all other screens. So let's do that. Now let's create our header, or let's improve our header. So inside this view, create one more view, and this will contain our header. So here copy the text, cut it and then paste it here, and copy the style or cut it and in this view paste it. So save the file, and here you can see we have a whole container view, and then inside we have a view which contains this header, all header. So let's give it a background color of let's say gray. So we can use this BD, or let's say you choose E0. So paste it here. Then we also need border. So border 1px solid, and then we must choose this one BD, a slightly more dark color than this E0. Then paste it here. You will see we are getting our background of gray and a border of this color BD and BD. Then we will repeat the same for all the screens. So copy this background color and border, paste it inside business, then sports, then health, and lastly in this tech. Also we need to make this all change also. So copy this view and paste it here. Remove the styles from original view. Then replace this text of business with this text of all. and let's do that for all the other components or screens. So inside the sports we will use this view inside, so remove the view and make it sports, then also remove the style container here, then here also make it health, and in this tech do the same, so make it tech, remove the styles from main view, from this health screen as well, and we need to copy this background color also, so copy, and we already have it here and here also and here also. So let's save all the files, so save all. Now let's check, we are on the home screen and we can see all business, health, sports and tech. Now let's install this native base UI library in our project. So click installation guide here, then we are using Expo, so click install in Expo project, then copy this command called yarn add native base style component style system, then paste it in the terminal and press enter. Wait for it to install. We also need these two packages also, so Expo install React Native SVG and React Native safe area context and paste it. So let's install them also, these both packages. Now let's create our list that will show our news data, headlines, date, description and all. So inside this view create one more view, and inside create two text elements, so text and then text. Give this view second view a style of, let's say styles.flex, then here let's declare flex, so flex will be of display of flex, then flex direction will be column, and justify content will be space around, sorry, space between. Save it and let's give it a some text like title, and then this one should be description, no, this one should be date. So now we are getting, but something is wrong here, so styles.flex, make it true and let's check now. Okay, this is fine now. So we have title and the both screens. Now we need to give it a padding also, so padding 20 will be fine. Then you can see we have title and date. Then we also need to increase the font size, so here text style should be font size and font color, or just font color will do. So this one should be styles.title and this one should be styles.date. Then here we will declare title to font size, let's say make it 16, and let's check, or let's make it 20, sorry, 20. Now we have title and date here, and we can do the same for date also. So let's make the date to be the font size of 20. Now we have title and date. Now let's add the description. So create one more view, and just we need one only, this text, and make it description. So we have title, date and description. Remove the style from here, or make it description, then copy and paste it here, and let's make the padding to be 20 px. Save it, and now we have title, date, and description here. Now let's do this for all other screens. First of all, let's wrap this whole view inside a main view. So this whole title, date, and description can be one component. So paste it, and let's format our code, and we can repeat this view many times as we want to get this title, description, and date like this. And now let's give it a HR one divider. So let's open this new package that we install, native base. And here let's select get started, click here, and let's select here divider. Then import the divider from native base and just use it like this. So divider margin y, it means margin to the y-axis, which is 2. And now let's check. We need to wrap the whole component inside this native base provider. So let's do that in order to use this divider. So wrap it, this whole component, and then we also need to import it. So we need to import this native base provider. So wait, just copy it and paste it here. Now you can see we have the divider, but the color is very light. So let's check how to change the color here. So go down, composition, props, styling, sizes, how to change the color. So we can just use this BG blue 500 to change the color. It will turn to blue. Now you see it's blue, but we need black. So make it black. Or let's make it just black and see what happens. Okay, it is working now. We have the black header, or we can also make it gray to make it lighter, or just this E0 color. So paste it here. Now let's check, but still it is very light. So let's check for this BD. So paste it here. You can choose any color that you want according to your UI choice. So let's repeat divider here also, and then here. Now you can see our whole component is divided between title, in between these components which contain title, date, and description. Here also we need to give at the last. So paste it. Now it's looking fine. We have title, description, and date, and we have the four rows of this data: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now let's repeat it for all other screens. And this ends the part 1 of our news app series. And here you can see we have 4 rows which contains title, date, description, but this is static data only now. We will do rest of them, loading data from API, in the next step, in the next video. And this, we have 5 screens here, all, business, health, sports, and tech, with all the four rows containing title, description, and date. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and wait for the part 2.